Here's how the rapid application development process works with WP Data Access. If you have connected your data source, we start with the development phase, all within your WordPress dashboard. You start with the App Wizard, which guides you step by step to transform your database into a structured app like data tables, charts, forms, and even interactive maps, all without touching a line of code. Then, use the App Manager to control key settings, like language preferences and access rules for different users and roles. Next, shape your app to your specific needs using the App Builder. You can customize your apps with powerful tools like the Table Builder, Chart Builder, Form Builder, and the Map Builder. When your app is ready, we move to the deployment phase. You can run your app securely on the WordPress backend with full control over who can access what. Or bring it to the front end of your website using simple shortcodes, so your users can interact with your app right on your site. Good luck creating your next app.